Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the classroom. If you're one of my students, I am going to just go over some of the plans, a few features. I'm actually not going to go through the whole thing, but I can. If you have different questions about different features, definitely comment and let me know, and I will actually explain those a lot better. I'll actually do a separate video on that feature on the chart. But I'm just going to show you the basics of the plan. So if you clicked on a link in my description, of talking about a free trading platform, and you come to this page, you may be confused. Well, make sure you read and scroll down, because the free button or the free trial actually is free. You can get a basic plan. It's completely free. You just go down to the bottom to get that basic plan. Now, if you are going to trade like us, you're going to actually at some point going to need to upgrade. You're going to need to try the free trial and upgrade. And I will show you how to do that after I go through this section. So basically, you have the monthly and you have the annual. Make sure you're paying attention. If you click on a monthly, then it's actually per month, and this will be the per month price. Every month you will be billed at these price points. If you click on annually, you will save money. It'd be like, if you notice, this was $14.95, so this was like $2 different, but you will have to pay obviously for the whole year. Okay, so just make sure you're paying attention when you do upgrade to monthly and annually. Now, this is my current plan. This is what I'm doing because I wanted to keep. I used to be on this plan, but I wanted to show you, and I wanted to create a system for this classroom where you can actually, don't have to have the higher plans, and you can still, make money. Obviously, when you make money, you need to invest in yourself and upgrade and get some other features. But you can do all you need to do on the pro plan if you trade like us in our classroom. And here are the key benefits. You get 5 indicators per chart, and you're going to need at least 4 to trade like us. You get 2 charts in one window, meaning you're going to have a split screen. So you can see a chart on this side and a chart on this side, and you can do different things on those charts to verify or to confirm your trades. Okay, this gives you more indicators. All right, so you get 20 server side alerts. All right, so instead of having just one alert with the free account, you can only do one alert. Here they can give you up to 20. You can use 20 alerts. You can alert yourself 20 different times, 20 different ways, however you want to do it. Obviously, you can get more. If you want more alerts, you're going to need to upgrade. Okay, if you want more indicators per chart, you're going to need to upgrade. Right, and if you want more than 2 charts in one layout, basically in one tab, each tab. See, let me show you. This tab can do 2 charts. So let me split the screen here. So here's a split screen. Here are 2 charts. That's what they mean. Okay. It's ad free. So when you have a basic plan, you will have ads. You'll find ads popping up down at the bottom of your screen, a lot of times interfering with your analysis of what you're doing. You want to get rid of those ads, you can upgrade. Volume profile indicators. So if you do want to use the volume profile indicators, which I can do a separate video about, you don't really necessarily use them, but I can find a way to incorporate it into the system. I did use them, so I definitely see the benefit of them if you want to use them. With regards to targeting price movements and things like that, you're going to need to upgrade. Okay, not necessarily for our particular strategy that we're using in the classroom. Custom time intervals. If you want to have intervals other than the daily time frame, which is the only one that I'm recommending you trade on. If you want to have other time intervals, you will need to upgrade. Multiple enhanced watch lists. So what we mean by that is, like over here, I have a watch list. Okay, right here is my watch, is the main watch list. So I actually have mine broken up into just sections, so I don't even have to create separate watch lists if I don't want to. But you can actually have separate watch lists. So like here are the different watch lists. Right, I have a watch list for commodities, for crypto, for a company that I was like following, different trades within them, that company, GBP pairs, yen pairs. I was using different brokers, so if I marked on my chart, it wouldn't affect my actual current trades. If I was doing back testing on a different broker, this is what my watch list let me do. And I also could change the colors. So like this color means something different from this color on my watch list. This color means something different. You're able to do that with the upgraded plans. On the basic plan, you only get one color, and you cannot have different watch lists. And you cannot break them up into sections. I don't think you might be able to break them into sections. I can't remember that part, because I already had mine broken up, but you might be able to break them into sections. But I do know you don't get the colors and you don't get the different watch lists. So if you want to just like go through your watch list, like if I want to just see my yen GBP pairs, that's what I can do. If I just want to see my euro pairs, this is what I can do. Okay. That's what it means by multiple enhanced watch lists. Bar replay on intraday bars. So like bar replay, you see me often hit this button and go back in time. And I just broke this down back in time. So now this is February the 23rd at 3 in the morning. Let's say I want to go back even further and put this back on the daily time frame. Let's say I want to go back to October 26th and like test out my strategy, like to see what I would have done in October, like it's here, right? And I can actually see what everything looks like back in time. I can see here and say, okay, what would I've done here? Blah, 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 whatever. And then I can play it forward, right? And I say, okay, now we have that baseline cross. I can make my move and I can plan my trade, and I can see if it won or not, right? And I can play it out and see if it won. That's what bar replay means. Okay, so you can do that on an upgraded plan, on the on everything other on a regular plan. You can do bar replay, but only on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. If you want to do intraday bars, so if you want to do like on the 4 hour, you cannot do this on the basic plan. So if I want to break it down to say what I have done on a 4 hour time frame, or if I want to go to 1 hour or the 15 minutes to see where my entry would have been, excuse me, because we enter at the end of the day, but we enter like 20 minutes before the day is up. And if I want to if I want to see the 20 minutes, like if I want to go here and I say, well, let me put the 20 minutes up here because I don't have it up here. If I want to go add 20 minutes to my chart, there it is here. And let's say I'm going to start, right? I can do all that I can add it to my chart and actually go to the 20 minutes time frame and actually see where I would have entered, you know what I mean, on that. I can only do that on an upgraded plan. All right, so that's important for you to know. And if you want to have multiple monitors in the desktop app, you want to have multiple monitors. You can't do it on the basic. You're going to have to upgrade. So I just wanted to take my time and go through that. You can obviously see the extra features and the unlimited charts layout. Your alerts don't expire. You can have second base alerts all up on the premium plan. You can publish now indicators, invite only indicators, where you can invite people to your indicators. So let's say I create an indicator just for my class. I can publish them and share those indicators with them and keep them, protect them from the rest of the community. That's that. If you want to know more, just scroll down. And like I said, if you find something in here you want more, if it does have more information and it has a question mark, you just click on it and it'll pop up over here and you can read it and you can search for answers. If that makes no sense to you and you still, after you've done that, you still want more information, then definitely let me know in the comments, and or either in the classroom comments where this video will be posted, and I will make a separate video for you, and I'll try to explain it to my best of my ability to hopefully help you make an informed decision. Okay, guys, that's it. So again, if you're a newbie and you did watch this to the end, great. That tells me that you do have patience and that you will be here for the long haul and that you are interested in really learning how to trade professionally. I recommend that you either do try the free trial version of this, just to give give yourself the time to test it out. But I definitely want you to upgrade and at least go with the free trial version. If you already have a Tradingview account, I recommend that you upgrade again in order to make your chart look like ours, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to set your chart up like ours. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Happy trading, and I hope I'll see you in the classroom.